Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Tuesday, April the 30th, and this is a quick recap on how the trading went today. And as you can probably see above me, didn't go well. Did not go well. If you didn't see my video yesterday, little bit of a change, and of course it doesn't look good now. The first day here, it looks like this was maybe a bad idea, but you know what? We're just beginning, and I'm not going to jump to conclusions, and I'm not going to make any rash decisions. We obviously had a bad day of trading, and just didn't seem to catch the market at the right time, and I was just wrong on every entry. I wasn't really that upset with any of my trades, to be honest. My entries, they didn't work. I got stopped out. I took my loss, and it is what it is. So that is going to happen in trading. We can't have 100% win rate. And today we took one to the chin, so to speak. But a little bit of a review on today. So the first trade I took, believe it or not, forgot to turn on my copy trader. And of course, that was the only trade that won today. The only winning trade we had today was the one that I forgot to turn on the copy trader. So, but yeah, we had a nice downtrending day, and was looking for a short, and we had this opportunity right here. After we'd made new lows, we pulled back, kind of top of the channel, took the short at the close of this red candle here. Really not that upset with the trade. Had my profits to take at the low of the day, and basically had my stop above this, and we got stopped out. We took our loss. Then again, this trade here maybe was a little bit of a, I could definitely see why it probably shouldn't have taken this trade. We still had a lot of momentum here. But this big red candle here and the red candle here, there was some big wicks. I thought we were going to test the lows again today. I felt pretty confident we were going to test the lows again. Took the trade, and it just immediately ripped against me and again stopped me out. So I was at that point, I was then kind of changed my bias. And I was convinced, hey, if this market's just going to do a slow grind higher into the close, then I decided, you know what, I'm going to jump in. And of course, you know what happened. We wait till we pull back. We tested the EMA, made a nice bounce higher. I entered on that. And then, of course, the rest of the story. We rip lower. I get stopped out again. And that was my final trade. So a pretty bad sequence of trades. And of course, now, as you can see, we actually end up making new lows on the day, just kind of like I had planned or thought we would all along. But I was just too early. And that can happen. And when kind of seems like when you start getting on the wrong side of it, this can happen. So it is what it is. Took a $480 loss on all accounts, except for the one about 400. These two accounts are obviously still in good shape for a payout. We'll be taking a payout on those tomorrow after the close. And hopefully we can turn it around. It's still early. We still got plenty of time, plenty of drawdown to work with. But obviously wasn't how I wanted to start this series. I am going to start a new series. So this is going to be considered day one. And I'm also going to, let me just show you. So as you can see on TradeZella, I do have it as a separate, completely fresh, separate account. That's basically a copy trading account. So anytime that I do copy trading, or for this series, any of the trades I do is going to be tracked in here. Basically, I just want to track how I trade when I do copy trading, so that I can compare when I don't do copy trading and just see the differences. Obviously, my goal is, as I stated in yesterday's video, ideally, I do want to take advantage of the copy trading feature, understanding that, it is going to be difficult. It's not going to be perfect, and it's okay. This is like a learning progress, and we have to take steps to get there. And we're going to probably see some learning curves here. So that's okay. We're going to struggle through it together and hopefully make some progress. That's the hope. So anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll be back at it tomorrow. And also, today is the last day of the 80% sale. I do not know. It's, what time is it? It's 2:58. It's almost 3 o'clock. So I do not know what this coming sale will be. Obviously, if your YouTube feed is like mine, I usually get about 200 notices of what the next Apex sale is. So, I'm sure you will find out what the sale is next. I'm expecting a 71% sale, but we'll see. And we'll just use it accordingly, and we'll go from there. All right, everybody, take care. Appreciate every one of you, and God bless.